Hello guys, once again welcome to Strides, and here we are with the fourth video of our topic adjective. Before I start with the topic, I'll just remind you that those who are new, please do not forget to subscribe for the channel and also press the bell icon so that you get the notifications of our new videos. Okay, now let's start with the topic adjective, and today we are here with the types of adjectives. We have already discussed about the kinds of adjectives in our previous in the first part of the video, and here we are with the types of adjectives. You will gradually come to know the difference between the types of adjectives we are discussing here and those kinds that we have discussed previously. Now, on the basis of the formation of the adjective, now words are also, some are simple words and some are formed, that means some are compound words which are formed by adding to words or adding prefix or suffix. Okay, those on the basis of these formation of the words, we classify the adjectives into three types. Now what are these? Now first is simple adjectives. Now simple adjectives are just they just stand alone, they are just standalone adjectives. They are simple words, no prefix or suffix is added to them, and they are as simple as nothing is added or any kind of manipulations are not made in the word. They are word as on its own. Okay, like pretty, kind, new, good. Now the kinds of adjectives that we studied were the kinds of these simple adjectives. Okay, they were simple words and they are classified there. Okay, now here that is, those all are included in the first category, and that is the simple adjectives. So they are stand alone words and no prefix or suffix is added to them. Okay, now the next type is compound adjectives. Now compound adjectives are made up of two words that describe a quality. That means two words are joined with a hyphen or a dash in between and describe a particular quality. They are the compound adjectives. We also, when we join two words and form a new words, then also we call it as a compound word. Okay, so here they are adjectives, that is why we are calling them as compound adjectives. For example, snow white bed sheet. Okay, now the bed sheet is white, but it is too white, that is why to describe it properly we are saying snow white bed sheet. Okay, so the adjective here is snow white. It is formed by adding two words, by joining two words, and that is snow and then white. So here snow white is the adjective, but it is a compound adjective because it is formed by adding two words. Similarly, bulletproof vest. Okay, now bulletproof vest, bullet makes a different sense and proof makes a different sense, but when both of them are joined together with a hyphen in between, with a dash in between, then it makes a different sense and then it forms an adjective. Okay, bulletproof, that means a bullet cannot pass through it. It is that kind of vest. So bulletproof vest, it is describing, it is qualifying vest, that is why it is adjective here, and it is formed by joining two words, that is why it is a compound adjective. Similarly, self-made man. Okay, self-dependent man. So here what these self-dependent, self-made, these are all compound adjectives. Okay, now sometimes ed is added to make compound adjectives. Now sometimes only even the compound word is made, two words are joined, after that ed is also joined to it, added to it, to describe that particular quality. Example, one-eyed giant. Okay, one eye, when I say only one eye, then it doesn't form an adjective, but when I add d to it, then it makes a sense of adjective, and that is one-eyed giant, the giant who has one eye. It is describing the giant, it is qualifying the giant. So ed, when ed is added, then also the adjectives are formed. When compound words are there, two words are joined, and after that ed is also added to it. For example, warm heart, when I may say a simple word warm heart, it does not form an adjective, but when I say warm hearted woman, then it makes a sense of the adjective. So warm hearted is an adjective here. So sometimes ed is also added to these compound words to form the adjectives. Four-wheel drive. Four-wheeled, when I say four-wheel, it does not form an adjective, but when I say four-wheeled, then it forms an adjective. Four-wheel drive, that means we had a drive on a four-wheeler. Okay. Now, derived adjectives. Some are derived adjectives. So, we studied about the simple adjectives, then about the compound adjectives, and now we are here with the derived adjectives. Now, what are the derived adjectives? These adjectives are formed by adding suffixes to other parts of the speech. Now, the words are some words from other parts of the speech. It may be noun, it may be verb, whatever it may be, but we add some suffix to it to form the adjectives. Okay, there are many such words. Almost all the nouns can be changed into adjectives by adding suffixes to it. Now, different suffixes are added to different words. Let's go through some of them. Okay, for example, by adding ish, in the end, we can change a noun into an adjective. Example, black black, if we add ish to it, it changes into blackish. Black, blackish, book, bookish. The language is bookish. So, language is a noun here and bookish is the adjective. It is describing the noun language. Boy, boyish, child, childish, dog, doggish, fever, feverish, Turk, Turkish, slave, slavish, red, reddish. All these are words in which ish is added to form an adjective. Similarly, by adding less, less, home, homeless, house, houseless, life, lifeless, pity, pitiless, sight, sightless, sleep, sleepless, all these are adjectives which are formed by adding less, less to a word. Similarly, by adding y also we can form adjectives. Example, I'll just speak out a few. You can go pause the video and go through all of them. So here, air, airy, anger, angry, bulk, bulky, blood, bloody, cloud, cloudy, smoke, smoky, soap, soapy, star, starry, starry night we say, need, needy, noise, noisy, risk, risky. So y is added to the words to just change it into adjectives. Similarly, IC, when we add IC to few words, it changes into adjective. Example, acid, acidic, atmosphere, atmospheric, angel, angelic, artist, artistic, tragedy, tragic, poet, poetic, ocean, oceanic, metal, metallic. Like this, IC is added to the words to form adjectives. Now, if also we add IVE, then also some of the words change into adjectives. Example, abuse, abusive, abusive language, attract, attractive, attractive dress, act, active, defect, defective, it is a defective piece, talk, talkative, talkative girl, relate, relative, progress, progressive, effect, effective, effective speech, if we say it defines the speech that it was effective. Similarly, AL is also added to just change the word into adjective. Example, accident, accidental, ancestor, ancestral, ancestral, it is our ancestral house, agriculture, agricultural, like agricultural income, autumn, autumnal, ceremony, ceremonial, condition, conditional, tide, tidal, tribe, tribal, tribal people. We describe the people as tribal. Tutor, tutorial, universe, universal. It is the universal truth. Truth is the noun and universal is here the adjective. It is describing that truth. Nature, natural, natural products. Products is a noun and natural is just defining it. Similarly, if we add full to any word, then also it changes into adjective. Example, awe, awful, beauty, beautiful, cheer, cheerful, care, careful, thought, thoughtful, use, useful, wonder, wonderful, wonderful night, thoughtful speech, sorrow, sorrowful, shame, shameful, skill, skillful work, respect, respectful, power, powerful, play, playful, peace, peaceful, peaceful place. We can say here we add full to change the word into adjective. Now, Next, we can also add ly to the words to change it into adjective. Example, mother, motherly, man, manly, day, daily, elder, elderly, father, fatherly, heaven, heavenly, king, kingly, love, lovely, woman, womanly, week, weekly, time, timely. These are all adjectives that are formed by adding ly generally to the noun we add. So by adding ly to the words. Similarly, adding ous also changes the word into adjective. Adding n or an or ian also changes the words into adjectives. Now let's take few example. Adventure, adventurous, advantage, advantageous, dangerous, dangerous, gas, gaseous, industry, industrious, injury, injurious, joy, joyous, labor, laborious, luster, lustrous, marvel, marvelous, poison, poisonous. Like this, ous, adding ous also changes the word into adjective. Like we can also add only n or ian, like Asia, Asian, Europe, European. Here we are adding an. Here we are adding only n, India, Indian. Then ian, Italy, Italian, Mexico, Mexican, an, republic, republican. So like this, an, ian or n alone can also be added to make a word into adjective. Able, adding able to a word also changes in it to an adjective. Example, account, accountable, agree, agreeable, accept, acceptable, change, changeable, comfort, comfortable, reason, reasonable, move, movable. Like this it goes. Honor, honorable, fashion, fashionable. Like this it goes. Okay. Similarly, other examples are burden, burden, burdensome, lady, ladylike. Now here there are different words to which we are adding any suffix to just change it into adjectives as per the requirement, as which is suitable to it. Trust, trustworthy, war, warlike, quarrel, quarrelsome, trouble, troublesome. Like this it changes. Praise, praiseworthy. So like these there are words which when a suffix is added to them, they can be changed into adjective. So the three types of adjectives we studied here, they were types of adjectives, and they were, first were the simple ones, next was the compound ones, and the other were last were the derived ones, in which we were adding suffixes to change them into adjectives. Hope you understood the types of adjectives, and difference between types of the simple adjectives are classified further into different kinds. Then comes the compound adjective, in which we add two words to make it to give it a form of an adjective. And in the third are the derived adjectives, in which the words from other parts of the speech, it may be a verb, it may be a noun, they are taken and then suffixes are added to them to change it into adjectives. Hope you understood the types of adjectives, and you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe for the channel, and the link for other videos are given in the description box, so go through them. Thanks for watching.